Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can change only admin can post in WhatsApp settings. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that, first of all, open up your WhatsApp app on your mobile phone. Upon doing that, you will be able to access all of your chats, right? First thing that you have to make sure is be the admin of the group. Other than that, you will go to your group that you have created on top. Now here in this section, you have to tap on your group's name on top. Now over here, all you have to do is simply scroll a bit and tap on this option of group permissions given right over here. And there in the section, if this send messages is toggled on, that means everybody will be able to post on a group and will be sent messages and etc. If you turn this off, then you can see turning off the settings means that only group admins can perform these actions. If by chance this particular option is turned off, that means only admin can do it. Only admin can post in WhatsApp. So all you have to do is come to group permissions and simply toggle this on, and then you will be able to simply turn off that particular settings. So, and that is how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.